again with Dr. Ko. Today we will discuss our lessons how to use the cube roots in Unity to solve the roots in the Moivre theorems. So we have z cube equals 1. This is the cube root of Unity, and then we find the root of z cube equals 1. Yeah. First, we move to the left, and then we factorize. Yeah, we factorize z cube minus 1. We can factorize z minus 1, z squared plus 1 plus z plus 1 equals 0. And then we have z equals 1, and z squared plus z plus 1 equals 0. If we solve with the ABC formula, then we have minus 1 plus minus square root 3i over 2. Yeah, so this is the root 1, the second root, and the third root. If we use the second root, minus 1 plus square root 3i over 2, and then we square it. Yeah, so we square it, minus 1 plus square root 3i over 2. Yeah, so we have, this is 1, this is minus 3, and 2 minus 1 times square root 3. Yeah, so we have this one, and then we also minus 1 minus square root 3i over 2. If we choose minus 1 plus square root 3i over 2. If we choose z is minus 1 minus square root 3i over 2, and then we can find z squared is minus 1 plus square root 3i over 2. It's the same. Yeah. So if we use this as 1 as a w squared, and then we have the importance equations, 1 plus w squared is equal 0. Yeah. So the cube root of Unity, yeah, we have the equation z cube equals 1, and then the important expressions is 1 plus w squared is equals 0. These equations, we can find this equation like this. Yeah, another process. In Argand diagram, we know the value of ones is can express because z as x plus iy, so it's also r e I theta. So the theta is 0, and the modulus, the argument is 0, and the modulus is 1. So we have, this is actually theta plus chi 2 pi. So because this is a 0, yeah, so we can express like this. Yeah, 1 e I t 2 pi, and if we give the cube root, so we have z equals 1 a e I key 2 pi over 3, and then if we choose z key equals 0, and then we have z 0 is equals 1, z 1 is equals minus 1 plus square root 3i over 2, and then if we choose select key equals 2, and then we have minus 1 minus square root 3i over 2. So it's also the same is also the same. Yeah, if we choose this is a 1, this is as a w, this is as a w square, and then we have 1 plus w square equals 0. This is the importance expressions. Yeah, as we know, if we have a cube root, so we can draw like this diagram. Yeah, because we have 3 roots, so this is the root 0. The argument is 0. The argument is 120, and the argument 240 degree. Okay, we will solve the problems concerning the root of unity. Yeah. So the cube root of the unity, simplify omega to the 7th plus omega to the 8th, where omega is a complex root of what? Okay, this is simple because the first omega to the 7th is equals omega to 6 times omega, and we know omega cube is 1, so this is equals omega, and then omega to the 8 is omega to the 6 times omega square, and again this is 1, and then we have omega square. Okay, and then if we sum of omega to the 7th and plus omega to the 8th, we have omega plus omega square, and we remember 1 plus omega square is equal 0, and then if we want omega plus omega square, it should be minus 1. Simple? Yeah, simple. Okay, the second problems. For the second problems, yeah, so we have 1 plus omega plus 1 over 1 plus omega squared, and then we have 1 over omega plus omega squared. Okay, still we have 1 plus omega squared is equals 0. This is the important, the simple and the important one. So we have this one, we can change to the 1 omega square. Okay, omega square minus, yeah. So this is also plus 1 over minus omega. So this is also 1 over minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Okay, yeah, minus 1. So we the same to change with the same numerator. So we have omega minus omega cube, okay, plus omega minus omega cube, okay, this is equals minus 1. Okay, so this is the same with minus omega, this is the same with minus omega square, this is the same with minus 1. because omega is 1, omega cube is 1, omega cube is 1. So this is equals 1 plus omega square is 0. Yeah, because so that this expression equals 0. Simple. Yeah, and we meet again with another problems concerning relating with this cube root of unity. Okay.